Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this lovely, practical and approved use Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. Here in the SE long wheelbase trim, 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with a manual gearbox and finish in Ravenna blue metallic colour. Plenty to enjoy with this Shuttle version, featuring automatic headlights with daytime running lights, and around the side you enjoy the 17-inch Davenport alloy wheels to contrast the Ravenna blue colour. In the rear, full LED taillights will give your Transporter a distinctive look for the evening, and sliding doors around the side will unlock this stylish upholstery. It's been fitted here with this lovely finish here to really protect the upholstery, and the boot space remains absolutely cavernous as well. You can easily store suitcases on plenty of items, and it has tie-down tether hooks. In the front, there's also decorative door and dash inserts, with more pronounced front seats and unlocking armrests for the driver for maximum comfort. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, operating the TFT screen up ahead. A host of active safety systems will be on offer to protect you and your occupants, as well as all your music and Bluetooth needs are all at your fingertips. The large infotainment touchscreen will also feature FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs too. Pairing your phone for Bluetooth couldn't be easier, and best of all, you have App Connect unlocking Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. Various other vehicle settings will allow for further customization of this Transporter Shuttle, and for the music fans amongst you, there's an adjustable speaker sound system. To help you park, audible and front and rear sensors are on offer, with upgraded 2-zone climate control system as well. And there's even storage for cup holders and twin USB Type-Cs. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle that is now available to purchase from our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly sales team today.